Next we will discuss about the thigmonesty process. Thigmonesty means that the non-directional movement of a plant part in response to the touch of an object. And here the stimulus, that is touch, and how they respond by folding up of the leaves, like in case of the touch me not plant. All of you know that the touch me not plant, their leaves that will get closed, okay, as the moment we will touch with the fingers. So this is the response, and what is the stimulus here? That is touch. And the scientific name of the touch me not plant, that is Mimosa pudica, and these plants, they are also known as the sensitive plants. Now let's discuss in detail that how this folding up of leaves occur. If you will see this structure, in this case you can see that the leaf that is present, and here the pulvinous region, means the pulvinous region, it is present in between the stem and the leaf. By the pulvinous part, the leaf that is attached with the stem, okay, and this pulvinous, it contain various cells, and these cells that are full of water, and there is some intracellular space that is also present between the cells, okay. And pulvinous, that is a swell like structure, means it is a swelling that is present in the leaf here, okay. So pulvinous cells, they contain the lots of water in them, which make them firm, means which make this leaf like structure firm, straight, okay. But what happened, that if suppose we will touch them, touch the leaf, then what will happen, that half of the pulvinous region, you can see here that half of the pulvinous region, this, they will lose the water, and this water, it will come in the intracellular space of the another half of the pulvinous region. And when these pulvinous cells, they lose the water, then it will lose their form, it will lose their grip, and then the leaf, it will folds, ठीक है. जब यहाँ से पानी लूज हो जाएगा, then what will happen, these leaves that will be fold up. Here in this structure you will come to know that when we touch the leaf, then what will happen, that the half of the pulvinous cells, the cells that are present in the half of the pulvinous region, they lose the water, and these arrows, they are indicating that this water, it will migrate into the another half of the pulvinous region, where in the intracellular space, जो intracellular space होगा between the cells, so this water, it will migrate in the intracellular spaces between the cells of the other half of the pulvinous region. Because of that, the form will be loosed from half side, and it is responsible for the folding up of the leaves. The leaves, they will get fold up, okay. Now this is about the structure of the leaf. Now what will happen, that when the leaves of a sensitive plant having pulvinous at their base are touched with fingers, then electrical impulse is generated, which travels through the ordinary cell, means as the moment we touch the leaf, then the electrical impulse is generated, and this electrical impulse, it will pass to the cells of the leaf, and this makes the water loss from half of the pulvinous to the intercellular spaces of the other part of the other half of the pulvinous region. And because of that, the leaf, it will get fold. But after a gap of 15 to 30 minutes, what happen, that water usually diffuses back into the same cells, means these water, after 15 to 30 minutes of folding, the water which is present here in the intercellular spaces, they will again diffuse into the first half of the pulvinous region, and again they maintain the firm and the leaves, they will open up. Leaf, they will return to its original position.